तुम लेकर आओ
See, check. Najim. Sabi. Yung mga kasama. Gimme. Wala sa hulog talaga yung mga kasama. Hindi marunong mag-check ng tools. Simpleng trabaho. Simple work. What is the cause? The freon is less, but there's no leak here. Also indoor, there's no mark of oil leak. We need to find out what's happening and what's happening. Okay, this one is we will change the motor. See, born. Carrier. Okay, this one is see, that's why this motor is born. Look at this. This is the mark board because of should be is a free wheel. When you rounding like this, it be the rotation is very good. But now, okay, that's the reason. Haven't give up. This is the carrier conceal. Don't close. We will put. So better to after 1 year or change the capacitor. 5 microfarad. This from carrier concealed. What's that? Very bad. That's why it's born. Carrier concealed. Almost working now. Summer na naman, Saudi Arabia. Most of the freon now is not exactly the kilogram. For example, this one 11.25 pounds. It's not really exactly because when we measurement there only 10.5. Okay, we put 120.